Que porra é essa? What is the name in English?
Torlo.
Oh! Por que você lembra? Alright, welcome to Santa Marta, Colombia. So we made this whole journey out here for 5 days. We're going to check out the sights and sounds and experiences of Santa Marta. We're at the kind of playa principal here in Santa Marta. One thing you'll notice here in the foreground is this fence. So you actually have to go through a police checkpoint to get on the beach. So I guess the mayor of this area, Santa Marta area, put this edict in place that you have to go through a police checkpoint and they check you by ID number or passport number to let you on or not let you on the beach. Pretty ridiculous. Mundo Marino. Veja, Nene, tartaruga.
Entrevista agora no programa, vamos apertar o nome de tartaruga. Nome?
Tartaruga.
Torlo.
Hold on, whoa. I'm sorry, I think I missed that. What is the name in English?
Torlo.
Say it again.
Torlo. Torlo. Torlo.
Turtle.
Torlo.
Turtle. Tartaruga.
Tartaruga.
We are going on a sailboat for about 8 hours to Cartagena National Park, and we're going to see Playa Blanca and some other
Praia
little islands.
Blanca, ilha de gente sem roupa.
No, no praia, no roupa, no bom. Más aventura. Oh, Lord. Welcome to the USS Minnow. No ball. Pequeno barco. É o capitão.
Capitão.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. We're on a beach which we can't pronounce, so that's a good sign. The other boat is the SS Minnow, and this one is the SS Tadpole. Very small boat. Looks like the minnow's coming apart. Oh, no bomb.
Eu Brasil. Where are you from?
US. Cachorro del dia. Você gosta jungle?
Sim, amo.
Houston, we have a termite problem. Oh. Cachorro bebida. Omega. Grande. Big ol' ant. Oh, tink-a-tink-a-tink, tink-a-tink-a-tink, Jennifer Lopez. There he is. Whoa! Okay, I got that one on video. I think he's playing with us now. He's just flying right by your head. Sua cabeça. Actually, he's flying by my cabeça. Okay, okay. What's up, Nene? ¿Cómo está, Nene? Those are coffee beans growing. I'm gonna go full out Tarzan after we're done with our coffee tour. Look at this thing.
The second peel, then we have to take out, and we got this. That is what we call green coffee. Así es como un té verde.
Cuidado. Salud. Mi amigo. Oh, copino.
Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you
Hola. Você gosta da aventura hoje?
Muito louco.
Você gosta cachoeira?
Cachoeira!
Cachoeira!
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly.
Você fome, Nene? Ich mag plantains and ich mag pumpkin with cheese. I have sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and then tomato and onion covered, and then the soy sauce in the middle, the volcano. Soy sauce with veggies. When you put I put the veggies with garlic.
Cause we be on the top floor. Don't be afraid of falling. Cause you know we gon' fly.